Hi students, today we will discuss a problem on sets which is given in Jee Mains Exam 2021. It's a very interesting question. So please listen, watch it carefully up to the end so you'll understood clearly the concept of the question. Right. Now coming to the question, let capital A equal to n belongs to a natural number, small n, and what is n is a 3-digit number, right? This is the main thing here. Capital A is what? A 3-digit number, right? And what about b? B is a set of numbers which are in the form of 9k plus 2. What is k? Belongs to a natural number. So clearly we should be like, if it is a natural number, it should be a 2-digit number, 3-digit number, 4-digit number, whatever it may be, but not a single digit number, because of it is 9k plus 2 already. And when k equal to k is a natural number, if I substitute 1, 9 plus 2, it will start from 11. So in case of k equal to 1, it will start from 11, 11 like that, and so on. Like it's a 2-digit number, 3-digit number, 4-digit number, whatever it may be. And like that, c is also nothing but 9k plus L, and k belongs to a natural number, and for some 0 less than L less than 9. Here also c value is a 2-digit number, 3-digit number, 4-digit number, whatever it may be. But what is the main important thing in the question is we need to find the sum of all the elements of the set A intersection of B union C. Like in B union C, if you observe, there will be a 2-digit number, 3-digit number, 4-digit number. In C also there will be a 2-digit number, 3-digit number, 4-digit number, 5-digit, whatever, and so on. But when we intersect B union C with A, clearly we just need a 3-digit number to be intersected. Because of what? A is clearly a 3-digit number. Then after that, after intersecting A with B union C, we will get the output will be a 3-digit number only. The remaining 2-digit number, 4-digit number we won't consider, because of there is no common, because of 3-digit number here and 3-digit number here only will get intersection. So A intersection of B union C is nothing but the set of 3-digit numbers, right? And A having all the numbers which are present in B union C, right? Because of B union C is a 3-digit number and A is a complete 3-digit number. So B has some restrictions. C has some restrictions in a 3-digit number, but A is purely a 3-digit number. So after intersecting A with B union C, and we'll get a 3-digit number, that 3-digit number we will consider from B union C only, right? Now let's move on to the question is, we need to find the sum of all the elements of the set A intersection of B union C, right? So which means what? I just want to find sum of B union C. That's all. Sum of the elements in B union C. I don't want A, because of if you intersect the 3-digit numbers what we are having here only will get finally. So S of B union C is nothing but usually sum of elements in B, sum of elements in C, and minus sum of elements in B intersection C. That we need to subtract. Now clearly whatever the elements which are present in B and whatever the elements which are present in C, both are different unless otherwise L is equal to 2. In case of L equal to 2, B intersection C is nothing but C. So that S of C minus S of C both will get cancelled, right? There is no point of finding that value of L here. So that I'll consider that L is not equal to 2. If in case of L is not equal to 2, let me verify if L equal to 2, what will happen? S of B union C equal to S of B plus S of C minus, in case of L equal to 2 here, B and C both will be same. So that I can write this one as S of C, and S of C gets cancelled. Sum of all the elements of B union C should be S of B, right? So what they have given already, S of B 274 into 400, right? Let me verify what is S of B, right? Now before going to the S of B, and let us find what are the elements which are present in the set B, that is multiples of 9 added by 2. So I'll just start with like 9k plus 2. So I have to start with the k equal to 10. For suppose if it is 10, 9 into 10, 90 plus 2, 92. It's not a 3-digit number. So let's start with k equal to 11, 99 plus 2. That is what? 101. And the next number is 110, and so on like that. The last number is, in case of if it is 110, is 990 plus 2, 992. I starts with 11. K value I started with 11 and ends with 110, right? 11, 110. So clearly number of elements in that set B n is equals to what? 100. 11 to 110. That is what? 100. And B is started with A. So that clearly A equals to 101 and the last term is 992. Now I just want the sum of all the elements in the set B, that is n by 2, that is 100 by 2 into 2a, sorry, a plus l we will find 101 plus 992, that is what? S of B equals to 100 by 2, that is what? 50 into this is what? 1093. So that S of B equals to 54,650. Clearly S of B 54,650, right? It's 54,650. But according to the question, if L equal to 2, what we have? S of B union C equal to S of B. S of B union C equal to S of B in case of L equal to 2. What is S of B union C actually? What they have given? That is what? 274 into 400, right? Yeah. 274 into 400. S of B what we get? 54,650. So that clearly what is 274 into 400? 109600. That is 54,650. Is both are same? No, absolutely wrong. So clearly S of B and C is not equal to S of B in case of L equal to 2, though L is 2 is a wrong assumption. So it is very clear that L should not be equal to 2. In case of that, L is not equal to 2 and set B is not equal to set C. So that S of B union C, sum of all the elements in B union C is nothing but sum of elements in B plus sum of elements in C minus sum of elements in B intersection C. As B is clearly not equal to C and not even a single element coincide, because of B is having the elements of 9k plus 2 and C is having the elements of 9k plus L. L should not be equal to 2, so that there is no coincident. So clearly B intersection C is an empty set. Sum of the elements there is no meaning because of it is 0. So to find the sum of elements in both the sets, I just want S of B plus S of C, right? And we already got the value of sum of elements in B, that is 54,650. Now I'd like to find sum of elements in C. Now C, what is C they given, which is nothing but L 9k plus L, and where k belongs to a natural number and it is very clear that 0 less than L less than 9 and L is not equal to 2, L is not equal to 0, L is not equal to 9, right? In between them only we need, right? So it is very hard to find what is L because of we can't verify from the numbers from 1, 3, 4, 5 like that in the exam. So let's have a discussion that first suppose if I say that k equal to 10, then it's like 90 plus L. And in case of 90 plus L, because of L is like integer 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on up to 8. So the maximum to maximum, that is what, up to 98 only we will get, right? So it's not a 3 digit number. So that k equal to 10, It's impossible. Then I can say that k equal to 11. Then what I'll get? 99 plus L, right? So in case of L, L is in between 0 to 9. I can say that L equal to 1 for suppose. In case of L equal to 1, we will get 100. If it is L equal to 8, we will get 107. So it is possible. 99 plus L is the first number because of k equal to 11. Right? In case of k equal to 11, 99 plus L is the first number. Whatever may be the value of L, whether it is 1, whether it is 3, whether it is 4, whether it is up to 8, we will get the answer a 3-digit number. So C is what? The first number is 99 plus L, and we don't want to find the next number because of the last number is clearly 990 plus L. Because of what? 990 is a 9 multiples, 990 plus L. In case of L equal to 1, it is 991. In case of L equal to 8, it is 998. So up to the end, it is not above the 990 here, right? Now clearly, yes, here we started with here k value 11, and here also we can end it with 110, so that here also number of elements is equals to 100. Then sum of all the elements in C is equals to 100 by 2, right? That is what? 50 into A plus L. So 99 plus L plus 990 plus L, right? 50 into 99 plus 990, that is what? 1089 plus 2L, right? This is what we got S of C. So as we know that S of B union C equal to S of B plus S of C. S of B union C, what we got already? 1,96,000. That is equal to S of B is what? 54,650 plus S of C, what we have got is 50 times of 1089 plus 2L, right? So that 50 times of 1089 plus 2L equal to, so if you send this one like this, so what will get? 54,950. Now 1089 plus 2L equal to 1099. If you divide with the 50 both sides, then 2L equal to 10 and L equals to 5, which is belongs to 0 to 9. So clearly what we have got the conclusion is L equals to 9. Thank you.